Hi everyone, how are you today? This is Rick for Story Time. Check out what's behind me. It's an easy button. Would you like to press that and everything becomes easy? You gotta watch what you press. And that brings me to the new story. It's called Don't Push the Button. And it's written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push that button. Should I? Should I? No. He said no. I want to. Seriously. Even think about it. Uh-oh. I thought about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. What do you guys think? What do you think will happen? No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button a little push. Oh, he told us we can't. Want to push it? Oh, give it a little push. Oh, oh, now I'm yellow. What's it again? What happened? Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dots. Push it again. I don't know. This doesn't seem to be a good idea. What? He wants us to. Ah, now there's two of me. A bunch of times. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Look, there's so many Larrys. Shake the book. Shake it. Almost. A little more. Okay. I did it. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch his tummy like this. That tickled. Okay, much better. Let's not push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's got pushing again. Well, that's my book for today. Thank you for joining me on Story Time. And remember that just because there's a button there, like this one, doesn't make everything always easy. So drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Bye for now, everyone. Take care.